Good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question 21. A parallel plate capacitor is charged and the charging battery subsequently disconnected if the plates of the capacitor are moved further apart by means of insulating handles known as the dielectric substance. The dash A. Capacitance would increase. B. Capacitance would decrease. C. Charge on the capacitor would increase. And D. Charge on the capacitor would decrease. Now, we know the capacitance of a capacitor is what is inversely proportional to the distance between the plates that is to say that the capacitance C is inversely proportional to the distance between the plates, and this is derived from the formula C is equals to permissivity of free space multiplied by the area all over the distance. Now this D here stands for the distance between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor, and like you can see, you see that capacitance is inversely proportional to this distance. So therefore, increasing the distance between the plates of this capacitor will lead towards a decrease in capacitance, and vice versa. Now the question says if the plates of the capacitor are moved further apart, simply that's meaning that if this is a plate and this is a plate and this is distance between them, now if these two plates are moved further, that they are moved further apart, now you see that the distance D has increased, and increasing this distance between the plates will lead towards a decrease in the capacitance of this capacitor, and that is option B. The capacitance will decrease. So option B is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.